Welcome. This is your coach Ashish Sehgal, and today we are going to talk about the fantastic new NLP and life coaching practitioner program. Yes, the whole curriculum and the plan has been revised, and it's been revised according to the latest trends of NLP throughout the world. Now, when you come in this program, you know things are going to change for you. Things are going to change for good. And when things change for good, you know you are the one who's going to get empowered. You are the one who's going to empower a lot of people. You are the one who's going to carry the empowerment light in you. And when you carry this empowered light in you, you know you have mastered NLP and life coaching. Our research team has come up with the latest versions of all the models. And now onwards, you will be studying the new NLP and life coaching practitioner program. What is included? Let's discuss about it. Now, when you start this wonderful program, initially, you will start with how does the mind really work? What are those filters of the mind? How do we know that our five senses, the sense of visual, what we see, the sense of auditory, what we hear, the sense of kinesthetics, what we feel in our body, the olfactory and the gustatory, all these five senses come together and utilize the language to program our own minds. How do we create those perceptions, the internal representations? And then how does it impact our physiology and psychology, our body and our mind? Once you master this, we move to bigger models of NLP. We move to the pillars of NLP, the linguistic models, the two fabulous models there. The meta model that helps you gain clarity, and the Milton model, the amazing conversational hypnosis model of NLP. Master them. There are going to be a lot of practical exercises where you learn what to use where and how to use it. You learn the beliefs of excellence. These 14 beliefs, which we'll be discussing with you, are from the latest version of NLP presuppositions. These beliefs are sure to change your life and bring it in a direction of your outcomes. And when you've done that, we move a little further. We move to emotional intelligence. We know how emotions affect us and how can we step in and step out of emotions. How can we manage our own emotional states and help others manage their own emotional states? Moving further, we'll start working with fears and phobias. Yes. And then moving ahead to belief changes. We'll also work with how we get anchored to situations and objects and maybe sometimes people. And if it's not working for us, how do we move out of it? We're going to work with a lot of conflict management tools, inner conflicts and outer conflicts. We're going to work with goal settings, with time and a lot more. And yes, all of this with accelerated learning systems. In these 5 wonderful days, you will learn NLP and life coaching together. The program comes to you from NLP Authority. I, your coach Ashish Sehgal, will be conducting this program. Well, many of people ask me how easy or difficult it is to master NLP in 5 days. Well, I know it can be sometimes overwhelming and daunting. So what do we bring here? We bring here a lot of post-program support. What is post-program support? Yes, there are multiple things in this post-program support. We keep organizing practice sessions where you come together and practice the models all throughout the year. What more? Your refreshers, your retaking of the course is absolutely free of cost. All you pay is a little hospitality charge, but the course fee is never to be paid again. This NLP and life coaching practitioner program is going to be great for you. And when you know it's going to be great for you, you know you really want to sign up. When you really want to sign up, it's time to master yourself. It's simple. And that is where you know you are at the right place learning NLP. Thank you so much. And now all you have to do is go to NLPauthority.com and fill up a request form so that you and I meet personally before you decide to join. When we meet, you know you'll ask me all the questions. That is where ultimate clarity comes in. So my suggestion is you can write to me, you can WhatsApp me here. My number is 98-101-88629. WhatsApp me, call me, let's book this course. I have been teaching NLP for over a decade now. And this is your chance to take it ahead in your life. Thank you so much. This is your coach Ashish Sehgal. Welcome.